Ruby. I'm an estate planning attorney, and I'm here to talk about probate. What is it and how it's relevant to you as a resident of California? If you're a California homeowner or a parent, this is one of the most important questions you can ask. Probate is the court-supervised process of distributing your assets after you die. It's often slow, expensive, stressful for your family. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 things that you need to know about probate under California probate law, including why it's such a hassle, what's at stake for your loved ones, and the exact steps that you can take to avoid it completely. You will learn, number 1, what probate is and how it works in California. Number 2, when probate is required, even if you have a will. Number 3, why probate can be such a burden for your family. This means time, cost, and stress. And number 4, which assets avoid probate automatically. I almost forgot number 5, the number 1 way to avoid probate in California, using a revocable living trust. If you have ever wondered what probate is, how to avoid it, or how California probate law might impact your family, this video will give you the answers that you need. So, what is probate and why do California families want to make sure they avoid it completely? Number 1, probate is the court process of settling your estate. In the state of California, when someone passes away, the state wants to make sure that your assets are legally transferred to your legal heirs. They oversee this process through the court system via a petition called a probate petition. It is basically a lawsuit that is filed against your estate when you die so that creditors can be paid and your assets are distributed to the legal recognized heirs. 2, when probate is required. If you have no estate plan or if you only have a will, probate will be required if the person who died owned real property or had assets worth more than $208,850. That's the 2025 threshold and is updated on a mostly annual basis to account for inflation. Number 3, why is probate such a hassle? It's very slow, it's very costly, it's public, and it's stressful. Your family has no control, the court is in control. Attorney fees are based on the probate code and is a percentage of the gross value. The court does not deduct any debts or mortgages. For example, if there was a $1 million house that had a $500,000 mortgage, the court will say that's $1 million estate and all the fees will be based on $1 million, not $500,000. It's very expensive. Number 4, which assets can skip probate completely? Beneficiary designations, joint tenancies, or pay-on death accounts. This only works if your beneficiary is alive, and you want to make sure that that designated beneficiary also has a plan. It has limitations though. What about other beneficiaries, family members that you might not want to include? All of these are limited by that option of having designated beneficiaries. And finally, number 5, how to avoid probate completely. You can have beneficiaries designated on your accounts or joint tenancy with your property, but as I mentioned before, this could become a short-sighted solution and is not comprehensive. It does not allow for alternative plans or backup beneficiaries. It also doesn't account for the age of beneficiaries. It doesn't account for all the conditions or details that might arise. The main solution to this is a revocable living trust. The trust is a comprehensive planning tool that allows all scenarios to be covered. It keeps everything private. There is no court intervention. There's faster access to your assets. It keeps your family out of conflict and ensures that your wishes are carried out by the people of your choosing. If you are ready to ensure that your family can avoid probate completely, then please click the link below or comment, and we would love to have a follow-up conversation with you on how we can help your family ensure that they will not be subject to the onerous process of California probate when you pass away. Thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Ruby Steinbrecher. I'm an estate planning attorney based in Sonoma County, California. I can serve anyone who lives in the state of California for any decedents who passed away as residents in the state of California. So please go ahead, follow up, and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you.